Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Meta Business Suite step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Meta Business Suite and hit enter. Locate the official Meta Business Suite website from the search results. Click on the link to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. If you already have a Facebook account, click on the option to continue with Facebook. Enter your login credentials if prompted. If you don't have a Facebook account, select Create New Account. Fill out the required information to create your account. After filling out the information, press the Sign Up button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Meta. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Meta Business Suite page. Log in using your Facebook account credentials. You will now see the Business Suite dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the different sections available on the dashboard. Click on Business Settings in the left sidebar. Here, you can set up your business information. Fill in your business name, address, and other necessary details. Once completed, make sure to save your changes. Now, explore the options to connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Follow the prompts to link your social media profiles. You will have successfully registered and set up your Meta Business Suite account. Take a moment to navigate through the available tools and features. Now you're ready to manage your business online effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.